Uh, God didn't make us to be victims to the world as if we're just victims to circumstances, like the circumstances happening in the world. Anything that could happen to us, we're not to be victims to that. And what I mean by that is that that really can't even affect the true you at all because we're actually victorious in Jesus' resurrection. He made us to be actually masters of every circumstance because none of that stuff can really get to us because we've been risen from the dead and who we truly are is untouchable. We're invincible. We're immortal. We're healthy and whole. We're loved through and through. And this manifests in and around and through us as we're just aware of that reality. And we're masters of all circumstances. Nothing can really get to us. Nothing can really touch us or affect us in the way that the world might want us to believe that it can. We can be sickness free. We don't need to believe the reports of the world saying that you're a victim to this and that, and you got to do this and that in order to get free from it. But no, Jesus has freed us from everything, and now we're untouchable. We can perceive him in and around and through everything, the master of all masters, and we are the masters of all circumstances in his mastership, in his lordship, in his kingship, in his loveship. Glory.